Welcome back. I'm Edot Reep, man. I appreciate you for tuning in. Today's video has to be the craziest unboxing on my channel to date. You'll see why in a second. So yeah, got another pack from Sia, but as you can tell, this box is different. And this joint is heavy too. So let's go ahead and get into this joint. Definitely excited to see how they look. Hopefully the sizing is correct, because I had to use my connects, man. I had to hit up some people that had like previous versions of these to see if anything changed. So, and I had to, of course, hit up the biggest Sia collector that I know. Well, biggest Sia supporter, I should say. So if you're watching this, bro, appreciate the information, man. Damn. Just the packaging alone is crazy. Well, let me move some stuff out that way so I can put this joint down and take it out the box for you guys. Cause this shit is crazy. Name another brand that's doing this, man. Aside from Jordan and those 17s back in the day, they came in that steel case, but yeah. Like, come on, man. This is crazy, like. Alright, let's go ahead and get into these janks, man. Whew. We got the Sia Run in the Desert Tan colorway.
Ryan Little.
Man, this is a beautiful shoe, packaging and everything. Let's go ahead and get into this joint, man. I'm glad that he changed up the sole. As you can see from my old video, I forgot. I think it's maybe right there or right there. I'm not sure, but y'all see it. The sizing was a little off in the original pair of the Sia Run, so I had to let those go. But this pair should fit true to size, and these are definitely not going anywhere, especially with this case. I got to show y'all the packaging one more time. That python, come on, man. That python on the case. Then you got that python on the tongue. See if it's gonna focus. Come on, focus. It's not cooperating with me. But y'all see it in the B-roll. But yeah, so you got that Desert Tan colorway. It's coming up on the camera differently than when you see it in person. But it's still fire. You know I love the all over, you know, that monochrome feel. You can definitely do a lot with this colorway. If you want to, you know, some people keep it basic, but it's all preference. But I'm definitely a fan of these joints. So you got that suede on your toe box. Then you got that perforated leather. Then you got the suede patches right here as well. Yeah, and the side paneling, pretty much the same thing. You have your smooth leather. You know, it's soft too. Like you You can see that tumble. Then you still have the suede patches and then the perforated panels on the side. The sock liner is all leather. And then we see something different with the Sia insoles. You know, it's not that standard white. You got the desert tan insole, still leather. You know what I'm saying? Pop it out real quick. So just in case, if you're new to the Sia community, you're getting leather insoles. It's pretty comfortable, but you know, if you want more comfort, you can swap it out and put, you know, whatever kind of insole you want. It's all preference at the end of the day. Nobody's gonna see the insole except for you. So do what you gotta do to make the shoe more comfortable for you. Then on the back you have like that buckle. You know, if anybody is familiar with like luggage or like duffel bags, anything of that nature, you know, with the buckles they put that plastic on it. So that's definitely a nice touch, man. Then the back, the heel flap, got some more suede, and then underneath you got that perforated leather one more time. Then you have like the chunky outsole, you know, like the dash shoe, runner shoe, but I definitely love the updated version because the first version, like the sole came out, like the heel came out like right here, but the body of the shoe stayed in the same spot, so that's why like it ran a little smaller. Because even though the heel came out a little bit, this, like the part that your foot goes into, stayed right here. So I'm pretty sure that's why it ran a little small, but they've been updated and I'm so happy to have this shoe. I'm gonna let y'all know, man, just because of the python on it, then you got the python suitcase, these did run me $408 after tax. I know it's a lot of money, but when you're getting this genuine python on the tongue, hopefully, come on, man. There we go. You're getting that genuine python, man. The leather quality and the suede quality is crazy. And then you're getting this full python joint. And then you got the goodies inside. You should have seen it with the B-roll, but just in case, I'm going to show y'all one more time. Then you get the satin. Whew. The satin dust bag. You said you can use it as a pillowcase, but it has to be like a pretty big pillowcase or a big pillow, or you might have to double it up. But like the stuff that you're getting with the shoe is definitely worth more than the price point. So there's definitely a good value. The case is quality, like I said. I would definitely go in depth. Well, I already went in depth with the B-roll look. So shout out to Sia once again, man. I was definitely looking forward to these. I'm glad I was able to get them. I'm glad I was able to have the funds, you know, work hard to get what you want. That's going to do it for this one, man. Shout out to Sia once again. Shout out to you guys watching. If you have any Sia reviews on your channel, let me know down below in the comments, man. We can all eat. You know, the more Sia videos out there, the more YouTube like try to push our videos out. Like it'll be after somebody's video, you know. Rico Styles, he started me with the Sia reviews because he was like the only one doing it at the time. So shout out to Rico Styles, man. Check him out if you haven't already. I'll link his channel in the description. I probably did a pop-up with his channel name right here. But yeah, it's crazy. You got your boy Edot Reep. You got the Sia Collective Python case. You got the Desert Tans with the Python tongue. Catch y'all in the next one.
When I walk in the club, got money in pockets. I see you with your girls and now you're excited.